Hey MD, so Jurassic Park made it look easy, right? Extract some dino DNA from a mosquito trapped in amber, and boom! T-Rex! But here's the thing, the real science is way more complicated. And honestly, way more fascinating than the movie version. Here's the first problem. DNA has a half-life of about 521 years. That means after just 2 or 500 years, half of the DNA bonds break down. Now MD, dinosaurs went extinct 65 million years ago. By the time you do the math, any dino DNA would be completely destroyed. Just tiny fragments way too damaged to read, let alone clone from. So what about that amber idea from the movies? Scientists have actually tried this. They found insects preserved in amber that are millions of years old. But when they tested them, the DNA inside was either completely gone or so contaminated with modern bacteria and fungi that it was useless. The amber preserves the shape perfectly, but not the genetic code. Now MD, here's what we can do. The oldest DNA ever recovered came from a million-year-old mammoth tooth frozen in Siberian permafrost. That's our current record. And that's still 64 million years too recent for dinosaurs. We've brought back glimpses of mammoths, even talked about de-extinction projects for them. But dinosaurs? They're in a completely different league of impossible. But wait, there's a twist. Birds are literally living dinosaurs, descendants of theropods like velociraptors. Scientists have actually activated dormant dino genes in chicken embryos, creating chickens with snouts instead of beaks and even tail-like structures. So we can't clone a T-Rex, but we might be able to reverse engineer some dino features by tweaking modern bird DNA. How wild is that? So MD, here's the bottom line. True Jurassic Park style cloning? Not happening. DNA just doesn't survive 65 million years, no matter how well preserved. But the science we can do, like reverse engineering dino traits in birds, is pretty amazing in its own right. Sometimes reality is even cooler than the movies, just in unexpected ways. Great job sticking with the science, MD. The real question isn't whether we can bring back dinosaurs. It's whether we should mess with evolution at all. Something to think about.